Hey, this is Jeff. I'm going to show you how to build an interactive image. So allow me to share my screen with you. So what we have is a blank slide. And on this blank slide, we're going to add a background. Now it's important to do your picture as a background because you're going to be putting things over the top and you don't want your background to change. So I'm going to hit the background button and I'm going to choose my image. And I happen to have one on my desktop that I'm going to drag in and drop. It's going to put that image as the background, which means that it can't move. I can't choose it. I can't select it. I can't click on it. It just sits and resides. Then over the top, I'm going to put my shapes. So I'm going to click a shape. And this is just personal preference. Pick whatever you want. And then go ahead and draw your shape. It'll give you a default color. If you want to type in the box, so if you want to call it something, chart, for example, and then center it, go to the center, and now you've got a button for your chart. Now that I've created my button, I want to make it active. So if I go to click on it and hit the link button, I can then go to my URL that I want, copy it, bring back and paste that URL into it. And now what you'll see when I hit present is my button will take me to that chart. So what I've got now is a button. So now that I've got it linked, I can resize by grabbing the corner. And if I want to make more of those, I can copy it and then I can paste more buttons in. Now, remember, all those buttons will go to the same thing. So if you want to add different icons, just all you need to do is change the name, but they'll be the same color and they'll be in the same font. So if you want to add photo, all you need to then do is click on it, hit the edit pencil and redirect it to the new URL that you want to. And if you want to change the color of any of these things, if you hit the paint and you decide you want it red, you can do that. You can also, again, make it larger, make it smaller. You can change the fonts and all of that stuff. So when you're done, what you might have is something that looks like this. These are all active images so that when you present and the students can see, it will launch to whatever it is that you want. And then they simply hit back and then they can go to a YouTube video. And again, all you need is the link and it'll go. Just make sure that you test it to make sure that your links aren't blocked. And that's how you create an interactive image on Google Slides.